Imagine a mirrorless camera that doesn't come from Japan, yet has the potential to shake the entire industry. That's exactly the scenario DJI is creating with its upcoming DJI Mirrorless Camera. Known worldwide for revolutionizing drones, gimbals, and onset tools, DJI now appears poised to enter the mirrorless market in a way that could disrupt the established order. The company has quietly secured FCC approval for this camera, a small but significant step that signals something far bigger than a typical product launch. Photographers and filmmakers alike are paying attention, because if the rumors hold, this isn't just another camera, it's a philosophical statement about how cameras should work in 2026 and beyond. The leaked specifications paint a compelling picture. At the center is a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, a deliberate choice that balances the needs of photographers and videographers. Unlike extreme-resolution cameras designed for headline-grabbing numbers, this sensor appears aimed at versatility and usability. Photographers gain enough detail for commercial work, large prints, or aggressive cropping, while videographers can benefit from oversampled 4K and 6K footage that maintains clarity and cinematic depth. This sensor choice reflects a broader strategy. DJI is creating a hybrid system that appeals to creators who demand excellence in both stills and video. Another standout feature is the rumored L-mount compatibility. By joining the L-mount alliance, DJI sidesteps a common problem for new camera systems: lens availability. Instead of launching a proprietary mount and forcing early adopters to wait years for glass, this camera could immediately pair with Leica's renowned lenses, Sigma's sharp primes, and Panasonic's hybrid-focused optics. This is a professional-grade decision, signaling that DJI isn't experimenting, they are entering the market as a serious contender. From day one, creators would have access to some of the world's best lenses, reducing friction and increasing creative flexibility. The camera's rumored magnesium alloy body prioritizes thermal management over traditional DSLR ergonomics. At first glance, this may seem mundane, but it addresses one of the biggest limitations of modern hybrid cameras: overheating. High-resolution 8K recording and high-frame rate 4K have pushed existing cameras to their thermal limits, limiting continuous shooting or forcing compromises in performance. DJI's experience with drones gives it a clear advantage. The company has refined active cooling systems on models like the Inspire series, and bringing similar technology into a mirrorless camera could allow for sustained high-performance shooting with unprecedented reliability. For professionals, reliability often outweighs specs, and this camera could provide exactly that. Autofocus is another area where DJI could upend expectations. Leaks suggest the camera may integrate LiDAR-assisted autofocus, a technology DJI has perfected in its Ronin gimbals. LiDAR allows for precise autofocus even in low-light conditions and with manual cinema lenses, transforming the way creators interact with focus. Bringing this technology into a mirrorless camera could dramatically improve subject tracking and focus accuracy, even in complex shooting scenarios. Combined with advanced stabilization inspired by DJI's 4D systems, creators could achieve smooth, cinematic results without relying on external rigs, making handheld shooting much more accessible and professional. Color science is also a key differentiator. The leaked camera is rumored to use Hasselblad's natural color solution, the same color science employed in high-end medium-format cameras. This approach emphasizes accurate tones, depth, and texture, producing images that feel finished straight out of the camera. Unlike cameras that push contrast or saturation for effect, this system prioritizes visual fidelity, giving both photographers and videographers a strong foundation for their creative work. Paired with a high-performance sensor and advanced autofocus, the DJI mirrorless camera could redefine expectations for image quality and professional usability. Entering the mirrorless space puts DJI in direct competition with established giants. Sony dominates autofocus, Canon is trusted for color fidelity and ergonomics, and Nikon has regained momentum with versatile hybrid cameras. But DJI plays a different game. Instead of relying on incremental updates, DJI is approaching the market with an ecosystem-first philosophy. This camera isn't just hardware, it's software integrated, workflow-oriented, and designed to simplify every stage of content creation. This could be a significant advantage for professionals who spend more time managing gear than creating, as the DJI mirrorless camera may streamline operations from capture to delivery. The ecosystem approach is particularly compelling. Imagine a mirrorless camera that pairs instantly with DJI microphones, connects seamlessly with drone controllers for external monitoring, and uploads footage directly to the cloud while you're still packing up. By integrating devices and reducing friction, DJI could significantly improve creative efficiency. This is more than convenience, it's a fundamental rethinking of how a mirrorless camera fits into a modern production workflow. For creators frustrated with complex menus, slow file transfers, or disjointed gear ecosystems, this approach could make the DJI mirrorless camera highly attractive. Leaked details also hint at electronic variable ND filters, another feature usually reserved for cinema cameras. Combine that with DJI stabilization technology, and outdoor hybrid shooting could become dramatically simpler. Action sequences, documentary shoots, and mobile productions could benefit from smoother, more reliable footage without adding extra support gear. This integration of optical performance, stabilization, and workflow-focused features reflects DJI's expertise in marrying hardware innovation with practical usability, a combination that could set a new benchmark for the mirrorless market. Pricing and positioning are also noteworthy. The rumored price range appears to target high-end hybrid camera users rather than pushing into flagship, ultra-premium territory. This strategy could make the DJI mirrorless camera accessible to a broader professional audience while still maintaining advanced features that justify investment. Unlike other companies that rely on incremental upgrades, DJI seems focused on delivering a fully integrated creative solution. Intuitive menus, simplified operation, and streamlined workflow integration could entice professionals looking for both reliability and performance in a single camera body. Ultimately, this camera represents more than just a product, it represents a challenge to the status quo. The DJI mirrorless camera could force established brands to rethink not only their hardware but also how they design their ecosystems, software, and user workflows. If even a fraction of the rumors are accurate, 2026 may mark a pivotal year for the mirrorless market, with DJI pushing competitors to innovate beyond incremental improvements. For photographers and filmmakers, this could mean a new era where ecosystem integration, reliability, and workflow efficiency become just as important as sensor resolution or lens selection. The big question for creators is trust. Would you use DJI as your primary tool, or does brand loyalty still influence your decision? The entry of a company like DJI highlights a shift in the industry. Hardware alone isn't enough. Smart integration, seamless workflows, and software-driven innovation are increasingly critical. DJI's ability to design systems that bridge hardware and software, proven in drones and gimbals, could give it a unique advantage, and this mirrorless camera might be the first real test of that vision in a professional camera body. If these rumors prove accurate, the DJI mirrorless camera isn't just a competitor, it's a blueprint for the next generation of professional cameras. It asks fundamental questions about what a camera should be, more than just a sensor, more than just lenses, more than just menus. It's about creating a system that fits seamlessly into modern creative workflows, empowering creators to focus on storytelling rather than technical limitations. For the first time in years, the mirrorless market may be forced to rethink not only what cameras can do, but how they integrate into a complete creative ecosystem.